Let's talk about the sum of geometric finite series. Okay, now the formula we need to be familiar with is this one over here. Well, let's review. A1 is considered my first term. R would be my common ratio. And then we have n. N is just the total number of terms. Okay. So we need A1, we need R, and we need n. And we can solve whatever we need. So let's look at this. Well, the example is 2, -6, and then +18. Interesting. Well, because you guys are a little bit older, we can simply say 2 multiply -3, that gives me -6. And then we have -6 multiply -3, which gives me +18. So with this information, I can conclude that R is equal to -3. So let's find A1. Well, A1 would be the first term in my series. So what is the first term? Oh, actually, I was supposed to add a positive. My apologies. The first term would be 2. And then how many terms do we have in total? Well, we have 9. Now I can rewrite my formula. Well, my formula is the S of 9 because I want the sum of 9. And remember, when we have sigma notation, it just means the sum of. So I have the S of 9, A1. Actually, it's very important to write the formula before you show any type of work. So let's actually do that. It's a good habit to have. R to the raise to the n power over 1 minus r. It's a very, very good habit to have, right, in mathematics. Not only does it show the teacher that you actually know what to do, but it's also good for yourself for memorization purposes, right? Okay, so A2 or A1 would be 2. I'm going to say 1 minus r, which is -3. And I will raise -3 to the 9th power over 1 minus -3. Now we can find the sum. So I'm going to type this in on a calculator. I can say fraction 2 multiply 1 minus another parentheses inside the parentheses, -3 raised to the 9th power, parentheses closed. Below the parentheses, I'm going to add 4. Okay. The reason I add 4 is simple. If I have negative or 1 minus -3, it means that this negative symbol is getting distributed into the parentheses. And we know that 2 negatives makes a positive. So it's 1 plus 3. That gives me 4. Okay. So I have a new sum of the first 9 terms would then be 9,842. So we have the S of 9, the sum of 9 is equal to 9,842. Now we use this for a geometric finite series. Okay, very important. You guys might see some arrow randomly appear. It's because I made a mistake a little bit earlier. So instead of redoing the entire video, I just decided to redo one section.